Well, we picked up another one. We picked up this house a few months ago and it's been a little crazy since we did. This house was disgusting.
I don't think he cleaned it for 15 years. I think that's what happened. There was dishes everywhere, there was food everywhere, and then there was a room that was full of kitty litter boxes. I'm not kidding, there was at least 50 kitty litter boxes. It was really gross. And then unfortunately, this is the sad part, once we cleaned out that room, we found a dead cat. Finding the dead cat was a little too much, to be honest.
So after we held a memorial service for that poor dead cat, we were able to start the demo process. I don't know how many multiple dumpsters it took Brock to get everything out of here. Obviously we've ordered the doors, we put a new roof on. There's still a long way to go in this process and we're plugging along as fast as we can. So we're gonna show you 3 things that we have to do to this house in order to get this sucker beautiful and sold. Let's go check it out. All right, so if you've seen one of our recent YouTube shorts, you know that I hate doing concrete. However, I think I might have to do some concrete at this house because this tree trunk right here decided to grow and it lifted this entire concrete pad. Splitting the concrete here and also lifting to the point that we can't completely close the garage door, which kind of sucks because that means that we're probably gonna have to pour this whole new square here. I do have an idea. We might be able to dig down, grind out this stump and excavate some of the dirt and the debris from grinding the stump out. Maybe getting this to settle back down so we'll put in a new garage door, get that to close completely. But if that doesn't work, I'm gonna have to do what I don't like, and that is pay for some concrete.
All right, so unfortunately, we have multiple problems on the outside of this house, and one of them is this beautiful, disgusting looking balcony. And I want to keep it because it oversees the entire valley. I do believe this would add a ton of value to this home. Why can't I keep my balcony?
Where do I begin? There's so many things that they did wrong here. They finished off the underside of the deck, as you can see. The problem is the top of the deck, when the moisture lands on the deck, when rain lands on the deck, where does the moisture go? It goes between the cracks and then is just bottled up inside of this box that they created, rotting out the wood, creating mold, and just turning this into basically soggy Cheerios. This is about the consistency of this deck right now. If you walk on this deck, you will die. So no walking on the deck. But yeah, let's pull it off. Let's get rid of it.
Okay, but then if we're gonna get rid of all of this, I will be able to essentially extend the kitchen. So I'm gonna put the money that we would have put into refurbishing this deck into the kitchen.
So you're saying don't rebuild the deck, put that money in the kitchen. I like it. I love it. And that's awesome.
Yes, that's what we're gonna do. All right, so because we are having to eliminate this beautiful balcony, I do get to gain 6 feet to my kitchen. So we will have to eliminate this door, fill that in, and then the island will actually come all the way out to here, which will give this family an extra 6 feet of family kitchen space. So we will be able to have a double oven over here. We'll be able to have a large fridge over here. And I'm hoping that we'll be able to get a Viking stove if we can get it here in time. So we'll see what that looks like. But nevertheless, this would be an incredible space for this family. And I'm excited to see how it turns out. All right, that is just a few of the updates that we have to do on this property, but as you can imagine, there are so many more.
You're not gonna wanna miss the updates on this house, so make sure you subscribe, turn on those notifications, and we will see you on the flip side.